we're going to be tasting it. Taste it. My daughter's going to be tasting it first.
I love blueberries. Mmm.
Over there, they want to see your reaction.
It's really sweet.
Really? Like too sweet?
But it's good, it's good. Eat more, Mama. Eat more. You want some too, Athena?
Mmm. They're so good. Oh yeah.
You like it?
Mmm.
Since she likes it. Look, she's taking her time.
Okay, so please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. This actually tastes so good. Yeah, it does taste so good. Hi, my beautiful people. It's Dragon Eye here. Today, my daughter and I will be making acai bowls, and we will be showing you how we make our acai bowls. And if you like the recipes that we provide, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. So, today, my daughter and I will be making acai bowls, okay? And we will be teaching you how to make acai bowls. This acai superfruit comes from the Amazon rainforest, and it is available in Brazil. So this is going to be a Brazilian dish, okay? And it became famous worldwide, but that's where it began, in Brazil, okay? And this superfruit has a lot of amazing beneficial ingredients for your health, okay? Such as antioxidants, flavonoids, okay? The acai fruit is a very healthy superfruit because it has antioxidants, flavonoids, vitamin C, okay? All these vitamins and minerals that your body is supposed to receive, okay? And a lot of people that go on diets, this is one of their special go-to superfruit, okay? And just people that are craving something delicious, something sweet, this is their go-to fruit, okay? And it became a fad across the world. And I eat it because it's delicious, okay? Not necessarily because I'm on a diet, it's more because it's delicious, okay? But you know, when it comes to, you know, the low calories, then it's a plus for us, okay? We're going to show you how we make our acai bowls now. Just get ready.
Triple berry blend. Blueberry. Strawberry. Raspberry. Bananas. Granola. Apple
Okay,
cinnamon.
so we will be using apple cinnamon low-fat granola, okay?
Cranberry. Sweetened coconut flakes.
My daughter, she personally likes honey. I don't, so I will be using Agave Nectar to sweeten my smoothie. I don't know, are you going to be using honey? Okay, she's going to be using raw honey. We're going to do the bananas last, okay? Because those go bad very fast. Okay. Can you wash some of these, please? I'm going to use a cup. Excuse me. So we will be using 1 cup to. So actually, we will be using 2 cups. So we're going to put 2 cups in our blender. Okay, when you get your acai pack, please try to get the one that's unsweetened, okay? And you can also look behind in the back package and read the ingredient labels. So we have 1 cup here. I'm going to add another cup. Okay, so at this point we're going to use 3 cups. So when you do your smoothie, make sure you use frozen bananas inside your blender, okay? I have 3 frozen bananas here. I will only be using 1 frozen banana. Okay, so it's thawed already. Okay, it's thawed already. We're going to. Oh, I had a scissors right now. Yay! So my daughter wants to taste it. She wants to see how it tastes. So the sahi is the only fruit, one of the fruits that has no sugar. Okay, just like the avocado. Okay, so they say that this is why it's one of the reasons why this is a very good fruit when you want to diet. Okay, but in this case we're just making our acai smoothie because of the flavor, and we've been craving it. So the acai, we've been craving the acai for a good while, okay? And this is one of the fruits that has no sugar, just like the avocado. My daughter wants to taste the acai before we mix it in with our smoothie, okay? It's one of the fruits that has no sugar, just like the avocado, and this is why it's considered a very good diet fruit. Okay, this. You want to
Now
taste
I
it?
know why it's unsweetened.
What? You didn't like it?
That's the reason why I didn't like the smell.
Mmm.
It was sour a little.
It tastes like champagne. Yeah, it tastes like champagne, but without the alcohol and the sugar. It tastes like wine.
It tastes sour.
Tastes like wine.
That's because
Without
it's
the
got
alcohol.
berries. It's
Yeah,
got the berries,
that's why, huh?
that's why.
Okay, so
Oh,
you're
you're
gonna
gonna put it in there. Come, come. Please come. Come closer. That's for satisfying.
Oh, okay.
And that's your ASMR, mama.
Okay.
Okay.
So should we make it sweetened?
It's got
Oh, okay. Well, then you didn't. You have to put everything in there. I'm gonna try
That's
to put
probably like
everything
the
in there.
berry part.
Okay. Because I need
Sticky.
sweet stuff. Oh, hold on. Let me taste this and see.
And you don't need sugar.
Mmm.
Oh jeez.
Well,
Ooh. Get out. Get
Wait.
out, I tell you.
while my daughter's struggling to put the rest of the acai fruit in the blender, I will be using agave nectar, as one of my ingredients. I think I forgot to introduce that ingredient. We're not going to be be using sugar. We're going to be using agave nectar, okay? It's a very, very, very healthy supplement compared to the sugar. Okay, they say that this, the sugar, it goes into your blood at a very slow rate. So we will be using the healthy alternative to sugar, which is agave nectar, okay? I really need to sweeten my smoothie, so that's what we'll be doing right now. While my daughter is struggling with putting all the, I guess, fruit in the blender.
It's stuck all in there. Why is it brown in
It's
there?
fine, doesn't matter. So,
Oh wait, it turned brown. What? What?
okay.
It was just purple.
Okay, so we will be using 1 tablespoon of agave nectar into our smoothie. Okay, which is like so it's already good. Okay, so that way we get, so we drizzle the rest on top.
So it's inside and out.
Yeah, but
Good
just
job.
a little bit.
Yeah.
So we're ready to blend. We're going to blend this. Okay,
Blend it.
blend.
Wait, what?
We're not done. We're not done.
Oh my gosh, you have so much decoration.
Exactly.
Oh my gosh, you're making me want to eat that right now. I want to eat it. Bomb. Ooh, a heart.
Okay, so we're going to continue on with
We
that.
should make a heart. I love hearts. Everyone loves hearts. Everyone knows. Interest. No granola.
I'm not done. I'm not done.
Where are you gonna put the granola?
Huh? What?
Where are you gonna put the granola and then oh. That kind of.
And then we're going to add the coconut. Did we already mention the coconut?
Yeah. Like 2 times. And you also mentioned the coconut. No, you also mentioned the.
Okay,
Ooh, I
stir
got it.
some in the we're going to drizzle some